He joined a business school in Jaipur and he is joining a global conglomerate.
I got approx 60 percentile in cash.
Does city define the opportunity?
No, it doesn't.
High packages or top roles are only for metro cities. Reality or myth or reality?
It's a myth. I am the live example.
AMB aspirants, welcome back to another episode of Campus Insights. This time it's different. अभी तक तुमने देखा that we were talking to top-notch people from the industry who are into academics and heading some V school. But this time it's completely different. आज मैं एक बच्चे के साथ बात कर रहा हूँ who has just passed out from a business school and I'm not talking about the top lines ABC. I'm talking about a business school in Jaipur only, which is a tier 2 city. And you'll be surprised with the insights that I'll be sharing with you. While in this chit chat, you will get a very good idea. To set the context, let's understand I have Yuvraj Singh Chauhan, who prepared for his CAT some 2-3 years back with an institute in Jaipur, Time Jaipur, and post that he joined a business school in Jaipur, Jaipur Institute of Management, Jaipur. And he is joining a global conglomerate, an international placement. I am not sharing here the exact value in terms of rupees, but it's a very high placement package. So the point is that B schools in Jaipur also offer this kind of an exposure. So my answer would be yes, but you will get right insight from this candidate, or I would say directly from the horse's mouth. So welcome to you, Yuvraj.
Thanks for the warm introduction, sir.
Here on this platform where we are regularly interacting with the students who are not only preparing for MBA, but who are looking for a great career ahead in terms of business school, in terms of universities, in terms of colleges, so that they get right inputs and these inputs really shape the decision making. So Yuvraj, I would just love that if you can share some of your background before we actually start this conversation, so that this can be useful for these candidates and we can set a context also.
So, talking about my background, I have done my 10th and 12th from St. Teresa's School. I have completed my graduation in BBA from University Commerce College, and then I have done I have taken coaching for CAT from Time, which is in Vaishali Nagar, Jaipur. And then I started my MBA journey from Jaipur Institute of Management, Jaipur.
Oh, that's wonderful that you have done everything from Jaipur only.
Yes.
And with this Jaipur kind of an exposure, you are going now global.
Yes. Sir.
That's amazing. Okay. So MBA programs often talk about transformation in a candidate.
Yes.
Typically, the top B schools claim कि भैया हम बिल्कुल बदल देते हैं बच्चे को, वो आता ऐसे है और जाता ऐसे है. So is this true in your case also? If I talk about your 2-year journey in Jaipurium?
Yes, that's really true. Because they give kind of give exposure to everything. They develop you in a personal way of too and in a professional way too. So in a personal way, I would say the skill development that you had in a 2-year journey. And then talking about professional development, the corporate exposure or the industry exposure they are giving. So yeah, that's really true. They do such things.
Okay, that's wonderful. तो आपको क्या लगता है कौन सी स्किल्स ऐसी हैं जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रही या जिन्होंने सिग्निफिकेंट रोल प्ले किया आपको ग्लोबल प्लेसमेंट की तरफ अट्रैक्ट करने के लिए?
So I would say the two skills which are top notch that should be in a student is one is leadership and second one is interpersonal skill. So by leadership, because nowadays company and the market is not actually looking for just for a mere employee. They are actually looking for someone who can take initiatives and can make the company reach to another height. So yes, that and then the interpersonal skill I was talking about, the way you connect to people and the way you communicate to them is really important. So yeah, these two skills I would say they should be developed over time.
Okay, आपसे बात करके probably I'm now clear that let's say business school in Jaipur, Jaipur Institute of Management Jaipur, they provide opportunities. ये तो मेरे को समझ में आ गया. but this opportunity is provided equally to everyone in the batch. तो आपने ऐसा क्या किया कि जो आप उसको मैक्सिमम लिवरेज कर पाए और आप उसको मैक्सिमम यूज कर पाए? हाउ आर यू डिफरेंट इन द बैच?
So talking about my batch, so see, classrooms are okay. Classroom studies are going on. Everyone is taking that. Beyond classroom, it was what makes you different. So for me, like there were various courses that I have done from LinkedIn, as told by my faculties, and I have also attended many mock GDs, mock interviews. In fact, our college has provided us the AI platform for actually analyzing our CV and also for giving interviews. But also, I have also given many mock interviews in a faculty cabin. Like Dr. Rahul Mina sir, he really has supported me for the interviews and has given his guidance and support throughout the journey. So yeah, that makes something different from others.
So something which is very important for you guys, those who are watching it, please understand lot of certification programs, lot of online courses, and personal effort that you make to make your own personality better on a routine basis, on a regular basis, that helps you a lot while you are in your MBA journey. This is one input that I have just gained from this candidate, directly from the candidate. So let's further talk about the let's say the role of your campus, because एक बहुत बड़ा myth होता है कि Jaipur is a tier 2 city. These kind of opportunities do not come to Jaipur. So students, they hesitate in joining a course in Jaipur, whether it is UG or it is PG. So how was your experience different from your perspective? How your institute contributed to your readiness for this kind of a corporate jump?
So talking about my institute, they have really supported me. Like केवल classroom studies तक ही सीमित नहीं है पढ़ाई. So there are various corporate guest lectures that were scheduled in our curriculum in for each and every subject actually, and there are apart from that बहुत अलग से भी corporate lectures होते थे हमारे, like companies are coming and they are giving their PPTs and talking about their whole what I should say, like experience they are sharing, like the corporate people, those who are coming. And apart from that, actually the institute provide us the opportunities, like there are various club and committees in our college. So I am the head of sports club in my college. So I lead the team of approx 20 people. So they are giving us that experience, that how to lead a team through this committee and clubs. And apart from that, there, as I have told, there are various mock interviews, mock GDs they have scheduled for us each and every week actually. So, and after that, the faculty is very supportive. That not doing.
So beyond the curriculum also,
Yes.
there is a lot of development, we can say that.
Yes.
That's wonderful. मैं वापस से सेम चीज पर आ रहा हूँ. Does city define the opportunities?
No, it doesn't. Because what defines is your skills that you develop.
Guys, what defines is your skills. इस पे मैं आता हूँ अभी, ठीक है? We'll discuss that. So you firmly believe that a tier 2 city like Jaipur can give you the same edge as a metro city.
Yes, I do believe.
Great. So before you joined this place, you ever worry about this, that I'm joining a college in tier 2 city? Most people do that.
No, I wasn't the case from in like I haven't thought in such a way that it's a tier 2 city and I will not get the opportunity. That wasn't the case from.
Okay, because lot of kids today believe that I'll go to Delhi, I'll go to Bangalore, I'll go to Pune, and make max out of my entire 2-year journey. So you never had this thought.
No.
So what was your thought process, let's say, before joining this place, that how you will come and how you will pass out? What was there in your mind?
So I was just having a rough plan from my 10th that I have to do an MBA. So after when I completed my graduation, so I was like, कि चलो अब कैट देते हैं, let's pick up a top B school. But not everything goes as planned. So I got approx 60 percentile in CAT, and actually it was a do or die situation for me. I was only having just one attempt because of some personal issues. So after that, it was a bit setback, but you have to learn how to be resilient, how to come back stronger. So I have researched some institute and found Japuri Institute of Management Jaipur, and I've taken admission in it. Then I had a blueprint, like a proper detailed blueprint how to go further. So I was more focused on that developing skills and participation in each and everything, like extracurricular plus co-curricular.
Great.
So I was very clear in my mind that after joining Jaipur Institute of Management Jaipur, that you have to put all your efforts with whatever you can do.
True. Wonderful. पर कभी किसी मोमेंट पे ऐसा लगा दैट रिस्ट्रिक्शंस आ रहे हैं बिकॉज आई एम इन जयपुर? क्योंकि
Actually,
बहुत बड़ा मिथ है बच्चों में. आई मीन दे थिंक कि आई एम इन जयपुर, आई एम स्टक.
so our Jaipuria works on the principle of one Jaipuria. So it has 4 campuses: Noida, Indore, and Lucknow, and one is in Jaipur. So it is like हम अगर कहीं किसी और जगह पे भी प्रोसेस हो रहा है तो हम वहाँ पे भी, अगर वहाँ पे कोई कंपनी आ रही है तो हम वहाँ पे भी जाके अपना अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, इंटरव्यू वहाँ पे भी दे सकते हैं. सो इट वॉज नेवर फॉर मी लाइक दैट कि आई एम स्टक इन दिस सिटी.
Got it. So city was not a problem for him, and he has actually proved it now. Now, one very relevant point, because you guys are passing out in 2026, and by the time new generation comes in, they'll pass out in 28.
Yes.
So there are a lot of changes which are coming up in the education, especially due to the intervention of AI.
Yes.
So what all AI tools you have learned, what all you have used, and how your institute helped you in learning these tools, typically from business point of view.
So, from business point of view, I would say there are various AI tools in the market, like you know very well, like Perplexity हो गया, Gemini, A, ChatGPT. So, using them in a right way. What matter is using them in a right way. You're using them for projects, and that is all okay. But we, after joining my MBA, I learned how to use them in a very different way. Like you can actually assign them roles. You can actually do each and every task almost, but not in a, like I would say, हर चीज AI पे नहीं छोड़नी है, कुछ अपना दिमाग भी लगाना है, क्योंकि AI आफ्टर ऑल AI ही है. बट आप उससे बहुत सारे टास्क कर सकते हो, और ये चीज़ वो लाइक हमारे जो लाइक जैन AI कोर्सेज हैं, तो प्रॉपर AI नॉलेज हमारे को दी जाती है. एंड AI इंटरव्यूज़ भी हमारे साथ अलाइन में, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, AI इंटरव्यूज़, मॉक इंटरव्यूज़. सो दे एक्चुअली रेट योर इंटरव्यूज़ आफ्टर यू द इंटरव्यू इज ओवर. So that exposure to AI is very good in terms of your development, and in terms of your self-realization, where you stand in an interview.
Wonderful. So one more thing which is very interesting that is in my mind, when you entered the place, what were the basic thoughts which were in your mind about the placement process and final outcome? Was it nearly same, or you believe that you have done something exceptional?
See, our placement head, Dr. Akash Dubey sir, so he has given a very good reality check to us from the beginning itself. So there wasn't a much difference in my placement process and the final outcome. So he actually told us that currently the job market is not very good. So we are like, yeah, that's true. Actually, the market is not doing good enough, like employment and all. So I was a bit nervous too. Like लगेगी placement, नहीं लगेगी, कितनी अच्छी लगेगी, कितनी बुरी लगेगी, कुछ भी हो सकता था. So the difference was only that कि जो mindset है ना, वो एकदम strong होना चाहिए. If I want to achieve something, I will do it. It should be like that. So the difference was only of a mindset कि उस टाइम पे शायद वो mindset नहीं था कि मैं कर पाऊंगा या नहीं कर पाऊंगा, लेकिन gradually वो develop हुआ, और yeah, it was great.
So guys, 2 years you have to develop that mindset, you have to develop skills, and you have to work on your personality skills professionally. I'm saying this to a lot of people who will be entering these schools this year. So market situations, they are like ups and downs are always there. You have to come out with flying colors. That's the most important part which is coming out from this conversation. Now, एक छोटा सा रैपिड फायर खेलते हैं जो इन लोगों के लिए बहुत काम का है. You have to just answer in one word. Okay. So, skill versus degree, which matters most?
Skills.
Skills. MBA in one word, reality or hype?
Reality.
Reality, guys. Don't think कि मैं AI सीख लूंगा तो ये छोड़ देता हूँ. One skill you wish to had started developing before your MBA.
Leadership.
Leadership, great. Interview questions that made you sweat the most.
Why should I hire you over other candidates? Those who have more experience than you.
Wonderful. High packages or top roles are only for metro cities. Reality or myth or reality?
It's a myth. I am the live example.
Wonderful. I mean, perfect example that he's giving. I am live example. Advice for aspirants who will be joining B School this year. Based on your experience, give them 3 practical suggestions which they can implement while they enter into their MBA program.
So I would say just plan everything. Don't do it for just doing an MBA or for taking out a degree. Don't do it like that. Secondly, I would say if you are sticking to it, be serious and put some efforts, like the serious efforts I am saying. And thirdly, I would say just enjoy the journey, enjoy your phase, because these 2 years, I would say it will not repeat in my life. So yeah.
True. What is more important is focus less on degree, focus less on outcome, work more on the journey so that outcome is based automatically. Now, one last thing, I would say closing question and call to action, that if you could sum up your 2 years other than a degree and placement in one line, what would it be?
So that's a very difficult question. I would say I have built that confidence, clarity, and mindset of keep learning and growing.
Wonderful. Keep learning and going. That's the most important outcome of this conversation, so that placement will automatically come to you. Outcome is dependent on what you think, what is your mindset, and how you enjoy the journey. The basic mindset with which you enter, that I have to pass out with 15 lakhs, 16 lakhs, may go wrong. You may pass out with 20 plus lakhs from an average business school also. But उसके लिए जरूरी है that you should have that mindset and you should have that love towards the journey. So with this, I would like to thank Yuvraj for joining us and taking out time from his college schedule, which is still going on. You'll be joining in which month?
May end.
May end. So he'll be joining in May end. Till then, his final exams and everything is still going on. He could take out some time and came to our place, interacted on this line, so that you guys can take out some benefit out of it. Thank you, Yuvraj. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much for inviting me here, sir.